Okay guys, so I'm going to show you a few products now that are examples of good listings and good products that you could actually enter into as well. So the first one we're going to talk about is this vintage leather journal. So you can see this is a very good listing with regards to high resolution images. So there's a certain resolution that you have to upload images to Amazon in, and you'll get this option of zooming over the image and the zoomed in version will show up on the side, and Amazon really likes this, and it helps rank listings that have these features. You can see they've got details, they've got side views of all angles of the book, the dimensions of it. It's eco-friendly, handmade cotton rag paper, so they're appealing to the people who want to look after the environment. They've got a whole lot of different views of this thing. It's a very good listing. I've got a good number of images. You can see their description is bulleted with tick marks. I'll show you guys how to do this further on when you create your listing, and this helps a lot with just catching your eye. As you can see, not many other listings have this. So it shows you all the uses for it. It's not just saying 1 year warranty and it's good for you to write in. Like, it's got a lot of detailed information. Genuine durable leather, non-bleeding, environmental friendly cotton, perfect size for many uses, so it appeals to people who are doing different things. Ideal for artists, traveling, business, teens, teen journals, poetry work, journalists. So it's appealing to a lot of different people. And they've got a unique factor, which is the vintage and antique appearance, so people really like this. And you can see if you scroll down, their product description is very detailed. They've got images in their product description. They've got a whole lot of detailed information that you can see here, explaining every aspect of it and really appealing to it and making it look as if it is a premium product. And you can scroll down and you can see that, or scroll up and you can see that they've got good reviews, so it means this is a good product. So let's have a look at Vintage Leather Journal, Diary. Let's search for that product on Amazon and see how well it is doing as well. Like I've said before, once you've searched, you get this plugin, which you can get a link to download it in the resources document. It's called Scope. I really do prefer it to the Jungle Scout extension. Once you bring that up, it'll scan the page and start showing you the different products that are on this page. So it'll show you according to the page that you're on. So you can see these products do have quite a few reviews. There are quite a few reviews to compete with, but you could definitely jump in here if you do have enough advertising budget. You can see the revenue is pretty good, 11,900, 2,000, 1,000, and there aren't that many sales amongst the total. So this would be a product, maybe a plan B product. Alright, so into the next one, this high pressure multifunction handheld shower head. So again, they've got a good bulleted point detailed description section. They've got high quality, high resolution images, as you can see here. They've got detailed images, high quality images that look as if they're from a professional product advert, so people that will appeal to people. It's got good product rating, customer ratings, and let's have a look at the rankings. What product rank is this? Let's open Scope. So their sales rank is 466. That's very, very high. That's very good. You can see they're doing 2,200 sales a month with an estimated revenue of 54,000, which is amazing. So that's very, very good. Let's have a look and see how they're doing. So handheld shower head with hose, a multifunction handheld shower head with hose. Let's search for that on Amazon and see what. Make sure you're searching in all departments. I'm not sure why it won't let me. There we go. Okay. So now we can see, okay, cool, these are all variations of the same sort of product. We can see that. Let's open Scope and see what it says. You can see how well this product is selling. So you can see this one's got bad reviews, so you could easily improve on that and rank above that guy. Okay, cool, this one's very good. The reviews are quite high for the first one, but you could easily jump in here to the first page of products. So they've got estimated sales 2,000, 32, 800, 185, 551. So they're not bad. Within the first 10, you've at least got 2,000 sales, like we've discussed before. This first guy, this Yumi, is doing very well. So he is selling relatively higher than most of the other people. So maybe people are searching for that specific brand name. That's why it's ranked so high. And it'll be very difficult to get ahead of that guy, but you'll definitely be able to make it onto the first page. Let's take a look at the third product. So the Friendly Swede Travel and Camping Sheet Sleeping Bag Liner. So sleeping bag liner, let's have a look for that. So let's see again, high quality images. We've got dimensions listed on their images. As you can see there, you've got detail shots, which is very good. And you can see they've got bulleted points again with capital letters and describing everything perfectly. There's no left out things. We can see there is a variation here, but you obviously don't have to sell this variation. There's not a variation in size or anything like that. It's just 2 different colors. So you could essentially just sell one color. And they do offer side opening with Velcro. It's very, very detailed. Again, higher ratings. Let's see how well this one's doing on Amazon. Make sure, again, you're searching in all departments. We want to see what the overall ranking is amongst every product on Amazon, not just this one. Okay, so we're going to ignore the first couple because you can see these are sponsored. So these people are running ads on their products at the moment. But you can see further down, 300 reviews, 12 reviews, 72, 47. That's not too bad. We could definitely compete with this as well. So that's 3 products that we could easily compete with. These are examples of very good products that you could enter into, or markets that you could enter into. I wouldn't suggest entering into these because I'm suggesting them now, so there's probably other people in the course are going to do it as well. So if you don't want to compete with people directly, find your own products using the methods we've discussed, and you'll have a better chance of succeeding. So let's have a look at what Scope says. Estimated revenue, it's pretty good, 15,000, 3,000. The number of reviews is very low. As you can see, 12, 72, 47, 72, 85. That's pretty good. That's not bad at all. We could easily compete with these guys. Let's have a look at the loads again. There we go, okay. Estimated sales, good. Okay, cool. There's definitely at least 1,000 or 2,000 sales within the first page here. And the estimated revenue is very good. So it means you could break into this market, and these sales would be distributed around depending on how you rank. So you could definitely steal some of these guys' sales for your own product. So those are just a few examples of some good products that you might want to enter into, and examples of good listings and products for Amazon.